love fishing for tiger squid. I'm down here at Redcliffe. The sun's come up probably, I don't know, an hour ago. It's just a beautiful day. It's not cold. I haven't even got a jumper on. Can't feel any breeze. So the retrieve is simple, a nice long cast out, lift your rod with a twitch, depending on the depth, it's deeper, it's 1.5 meters, 2 meters, 2 twitches, 1, 2, just let it get back to the bottom. Very similar to floated fishing. Slow roll in between twitches just to keep your line tight. And we're on. Nice little tiger. Feels alright too. Going hard. There he is. Calamari. Calamari rings. You had calamari in the shops before? Exactly the same. You skin it, chop it up.
How does it turn into rings?
This part here, so you dispatch it. So to dispatch it, to kill it quick, is just karate chopping the head and it all goes white. That's dead now, right? So that's finished. He's no longer alive. Yep. Then once you've done that, you take the head out. There's a membrane here. You take the membrane out, you skin it, and that hood there, you chop up.
So
and that goes all the way around. So
like
that's your rings. Yeah. Your rings up that way.
I've never seen that before.
Fascinating.
That's incredible.
Nice little tiger this morning of about, he'd be 300 grams, I guess. Good way to start the day. I've only got the one squid. I'm going to clean it up and just cut it down, ready to cook it up. So there's a membrane in it. You slide your thumb right down the membrane, and the membrane detaches from the actual squid hood. Grab the membrane and the back of the head and slide it all out. A little bit messy, that's why I've got the bucket of water there. And that's all waste. Comes out in one hit. Now the head you can clean up and actually eat, but I use the head for snapper bait, so that goes into my bait tin a little bit later on. So I'll put this over here for waste. Back in a minute and I'll grab my rag. Righto. I'm worrying about the ink today because we're on camera. Normally I just do it. I don't worry too much about the ink and I'll clean up at the end. So you can see we've got quite a bit of ink in the hood. Next step is to skin it. To skin it, we want to break the skin on the wings. So you can see the hood is that part there. See your wings? This is the wings on a tiger squid. There's a crease between the hood and the wing, and that's where I'm going to break in there to start the process of skinning. So just pinch and dig. Once you've got your thumb in there, you can pull that down and you can see how quickly and easily the skin comes off. There's your hood there. Drag that around. Now, once you've done a few of these, they do get easier, and that skin comes all off in one go. Now, if you haven't got a lot of squid, you can actually clean these up and eat those bits of meat there, but again, I don't. That's waste for me. Now this hood, all it's left to do is clean it up. There's no skin left on this side, and there's the ink and a little bit of waste on that side. So what I'm going to do is turn it inside out, and then I clean it in salt water, and then it's ready to be chopped up. So to turn it inside out, you've got the hood there. Just push your thumb down at the end, like that. Push it right through. And bring it out the other side. So that's the side you need to clean up now. So now what I'm going to do is just go and quickly clean this in salt water. All it is cleaning. I'm not going to clean this in my studio. I'll bring it back and we'll chop it up. So there's the hood. Make sure you clean it in salt water. Nice abrasive rag. Give it a good scrub. Give it a scrub inside in the salt water, and you're left with the hood. So now it's all that's left to do now is cut it up into calamari rings and then prepare it any way you want. I always prepare it in a mixture of breadcrumbs and cornflake crumbs, and fry it with the crumbs on it. Excellent. So cut the end off, and these are your rings. Make sure when you cook up, you don't cook it too long. All you need is between 30 and 40 seconds depending on the thickness of your calamari ring in a shallow fry pan. One round of calamari, all done.
Now we're done.